Guys, I'm about to spill some serious tea. Are you ready? What is up, you guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And today, like I said, we are doing what I'm gonna call a TMI girl haul. Y'all know those TMI girl talk videos? Well, this is the product version where I expose a bunch of things that I should definitely never tell anyone I ever bought. Okay, so we're gonna start with this. These are Brazilian butt lift shorts. What is that? I'll show you. So these shorts are actually these shorts, which I got on Amazon. You can see right here. Basically what these are is a BBL for 20 bucks. These are basically yoga shorts that have these pads in them, like this. Like, I'll show you, this is kind of what I look like before. If I tighten these pants, I don't really have hips. Watch this. Kylie Jenner who? This looks actually ridiculous. However, it's so funny. The only thing that's extra funny about these, aside of if you go home with a man when you're wearing them and he's like, what the is this? They don't really feel like anything. Like, it feels like foam. But check this out. If you put yoga pants on top of them, look at this. How funny is this? Woo. Those are those Kim hips, baby. I love to wear these out sometimes just because I don't really have an ass, so it's so fun to like swing your hips and suddenly have the fattest ass in the world. Oh yeah. Ooh, ooh. I won't deny it, my hips don't lie, but actually they do because this is not real. All from Amazon. Ooh, goddamn. These are the expensive version. These are silicone pads. Look at that. Like, this even looks and kind of claps like an ass too. Oh, I should not be allowed to post YouTube videos. Okay, so these are the ones you want if you're trying to really fool people. Like, totally seamless, blend right in with your skin. When you slap these, sounds like it should. But they're also like almost $300, so these you literally will slip in your pants. It's like so weird, but okay, so you can see this side has it and this side doesn't. Very subtle. They just kind of give you a little extra curve. And these sound like real ass. Isn't that crazy? It's really just the world's most insane figure. Ooh, ooh. Speaking of absolutely beyond deranged products, did you notice anything else funny? Like, how about how absolutely perfect my boobs look in this bra? I actually do have naturally perfect boobs, I'm not gonna lie, shout out to my mom. However, for a little bit of extra pizzazz. Do you guys remember the Sex and the City episode where Samantha had the fake nipples? So, how hilarious is this? These are fake nipples that I found on Amazon. They're like little silicone stickers. This is the small version and this is the ginormous version. They're also like basically weird little stickers. I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, yeah, and you literally just stick them on top of your normal nipple and it looks like you're standing in the snow. You can see I don't have one on this side and I do have one on this side. I don't even know if you can see in this lighting, but oh, there. It just makes it like extra fun versus regular. Just kind of gives you a little extra pop. I also wore these at Coachella. And let me tell you, I had a really good time. I was even right next to Taylor Swift. It was insane. I don't know if you guys saw my stories, but I was like literally losing my damn mind. It was amazing. Okay, back to something I would say a little more normal, but actually this haul just gets weirder. By the way, guys, disclaimer, I think these products are ridiculous. They are very fun to play around with, as with anything. I bought them specifically for this haul to be funny. Nobody needs these things at all, like you guys know. You know, I'm always saying this, your body is art. It's beautiful the way that it is. Women are absolute masterpieces of the universe, the most beautiful art form ever created, and don't ever forget it. Any shape, any size, anything. Silly accessories are just to be funny at the end of the day, so don't take it seriously. As with anything in life, it's all about a good damn time. So on that note, here's the next nonsense. What is this? Oh, yes. I've actually shown these tons of times. I love buying underwear on Amazon. I buy these all the time. If you are looking for a thong that is cheap, very comfortable, and doesn't show through your pants, this is for you. Everyone knows thongs are really uncomfortable, but not these. These are very soft and comfy. When it comes down to it, I think they're like $1 or $2 a pair, so fabulous. Okay, so the next ridiculous thing that I'm gonna show you, foundation. Which wouldn't be ridiculous aside if that I put foundation all over my body. So this is what my legs look like with nothing on them. You can see they are very smooth, which I'll talk about in a second. Shout out to you, like, but I buy this. I think it's like $6 or $7 on Amazon, but this is foundation, which just so happens to be called Amber, which is hilarious. So that's why I buy this color. And I will literally put this all over my body like this. And the other secret weapon is actually this. This is basically like a glitter powder. I don't know if you guys can see that. But look at the difference now. My leg looks literally perfect, bronzy, glowy. Do you guys see the sparkle too? Ew, looks like my rings, shop 333. But, and that is how you get that perfectly glowy, celebrity, sparkly skin. Well, at least that's how I get it anyway. Beautiful. Woohoo! By the way, since I know you're gonna ask the answer to this question, does this get everywhere? Yes, yes it does. I don't know if you guys can see that. I was actually running across this way to chase George and ate. So this is my 2 knees and my elbow. But you know, it looks really good. So don't do it every day, but for special occasions when you need to look fabulous, would recommend. Okay, so now speaking of some shiny, smooth leg goodness, I get a ton of questions all the time on how I keep my legs super soft and shiny / also the rest of me. It's this. So you guys remember all of my girl talk TMI videos? I have shown this in plenty of those videos. This is my You Like IPL hair removal device. Even though I've been using this for a while now, I always have them send me a new one. But I'm gonna put it in a video just because it's fun to unbox it and be all pretty. So, ta-da, here we go. Inside box looks like this. Inside you have the actual IPL device, which looks like this. It's actually really pretty, I think. It's like purple and cool, and it has the little laser light at the top here. I'll explain that in a second. Then inside we have all of the little goodies that you need. Cord, we have a cute little bag, and of course my personal favorite accessory of all, very sexy safety goggles, which I personally think are a look. Okay, so what IPL actually is basically the same laser hair removal technology that you get in the salon, but at home. So like I said, it is basically the same laser hair removal technology that you would get in the salon, but in the comfort of your own home. So how it works is it basically destroys the hair follicle. So, you know, with repeated use, the hair doesn't grow back. It doesn't hurt literally at all. It feels like absolutely nothing. And that's honestly mostly thanks to like the sapphire cooling technology. Real AAA sapphires in there. So it feels completely cool to touch. You don't feel literally anything when you do it. It's amazing. You guys remember, I literally used to go to med spas to get this done, and it just was like very annoying because I want to go to the mall. I don't want to go to a laser hair removal place. And it just was like annoying. I kept having to go. It took forever too. Like, more importantly, it was really damn expensive, and I don't like that. So that's like the main reason that I like to do this, is because it avoids all those problems. It's just at ease in your house if you want to do it at 1 a.m., which sometimes I do. I watch Friends and I do this. I'll show me using it real quick. Are you guys ready for this? Okay, so you can see here, the first step is to shave. Dun, 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 dun. They give you the little razor. Then you can go ahead and flip it on. You guys can hear it a little bit here. You ready? It just sounds kind of like a little fan. You have lots of different settings to make it more powerful or less powerful depending on what it is that you want. Again, with the sapphires to keep it cool, you are good to go. And then you can go ahead and start the treatment. Again, make sure you have your eyeglasses on, but it's super easy. Not to mention it is fully FDA approved. Again, you can see like how I started in November of 2022 versus now. I mean, there's like really not much there. I've been using this for so long at this point, I like barely ever have to use it. I don't have too much hair like at all anymore. You guys can also see the Air 3, which was the one I was using before, versus the Air 10. The Air 10 has a 96% hair reduction in 4 weeks, and this one has 4 modes: fast, normal, high, and brand new SHR mode. Not to mention dual lights instead of a single light, so even better than before. So the new Air 10 retails currently for $3.99, which I know it sounds kind of expensive, but honestly, it's like a huge bargain because you can do literally your whole body as many times as you want. And yeah, that's like, I'm not good at math, but that is really not even close to as expensive as the in-office treatments are. And plus, y'all already know I got the hookup for you. So you guys can use my code AMBER2024 for $100 off. Which you can get on the You Like website, or also guess what? Amazon, my favorite. So all the links are below for you guys if you want to shop. And get this best part, if you guys don't like it for any dang reason, a full 90 days instead of 30 days to return it. So plenty of time to test it out and join me in the summer to be hairless like me. So as always, huge shout out to You Like for sponsoring this video and keeping me silky smooth, the ultimate perfect naked mole rat. And now, back to the rest of the TMI haul. Which again, yes, just gets weirder. Okay, so we're gonna scoot over into a little bit of something else fun. You guys know I clearly love shoes so much, and I already mentioned love Sex and the City. So something else that everyone needs is a good pair of kinky shoes. I mean, clearly these are stripper shoes. That's just what they are. They have the feathers, they're this tall, this chunky, and that's just a good damn time. It's always good to have a little something spicy. Oh, like, ooh, baby mamacita George Biscuit, what do you think of mommy's shoes? They kind of match you, honestly. Honestly, just so fun. Everyone needs some crazy shoes to be kind of crazy every once in a while, you know? These are nude giant platforms with the fuzz on them. Woo! Like I said, it's just fun every once in a while to have a little kinky shoe. I love, love, love shoes, and I'm in full support of anything that makes you feel just a little extra sexy. Ooh, I really would love to take a stripper class. I need to do that. This should be funny. So I've always wanted a belly ring, but I'm too afraid to commit. So I got a fake one. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Okay, let's try it. Let's see. It's like literally just a clip. How do I do this? Is it literally just, oh, it's just that, okay. Oh, hey! What do you guys think? I need to get low-rise jeans to go with this, but this is iconic, wow. Oh yeah, I'm Britney Spears. By the way, guys, I've included this in like a million videos before. Also, just because I just thought of this for this haul, those razors for my face that I use, yes, I literally shave my face so my skin stays like smooth. You gotta get these. I also get those on Amazon, linked below. So if you want to shave your beard off, there you go. We have a couple more like outfit fashion things that I thought would be kind of funny for this haul. So let's see. I thought this was fun. I know, George, hello. So I honestly just wanted to try this on. I bought some funny body clothes because I just thought that would be hilarious for this video. So let's try them on, right, George? Okay, so this was kind of supposed to make it look like your body was like draped like a Greek goddess. I think the color is a little weird for my skin, though the pattern is interesting. I don't know if I love it. I don't know. Y'all let me know, what do you think? You know, honestly, this is kind of hilarious. Shout out to this shirt for giving me abs. I don't know, it's kind of fun. Officer, what do you mean this isn't appropriate for jury duty? I'm fully dressed. Perfect meeting your boyfriend's parents for the first time looks. This is why I'm alone. I just randomly wanted to give a shout out to Super Plus tampons in this video because I don't know about you guys, but sometimes like super is just literally not enough. So current tampons of choice, like I said, TMI. Actually ordered this and it came in the same package as this, so I'm also gonna show this. Bruh. This is the best teeth whitening kit I've ever used. This does not necessarily belong in a TMI haul, but look at how shiny white my teeth are right now. I've been using Crest White strips for years, but I've never used this one. This one actually has like a little mouth thing, like lights up, you put it in your mouth. It's like very weird. Makes your teeth so white so fast. So anyways, just that I'd recommend. Oops. And apparently throw it on the floor, but yeah, that is another fun like beauty girly hack. And also, okay, I have mentioned this before. You guys know a bitch is single, has been for a long time. My favorite boyfriend in the world, you can get on Amazon for $20. Linked below if you're interested. when I tell you, you will never need a situationship again. Yeah. Anyways, back to our regularly scheduled ladylike programming.
Since most of the stuff in this haul has been very, I guess, worldly beauty, we're gonna do the opposite, spiritual beauty. So these are my favorite necklaces from my collection, you guys know. The You Are Art necklace and, of course, the Divine Feminine necklace. Because honestly, despite what the world may put in our heads, we are perfect just the way we are. Amazing, beautiful, ethereal creatures, and sometimes I just like to wear it around my neck to remind me.
So, jewelry's not exactly TMI, but meaning behind it is something, you know, everyone needs every once in a while. So, there you go. So that was my TMI haul, aka a video of exposing myself. We're all girls here just trying to live our best lives, so hope some of those products help you out. Truly love you guys so very much. There is really nobody else in the world that I would film a video like this for, let me tell you. So if you know me in real life, no, you didn't see this video. And if you're you guys, I love you. Secret's safe with you, right? Someday I'm gonna learn to wink. I love you guys so very much. Triple XO. Oh, do you see that? There's a stain on my mirror. It kind of looks like there's a giant booger. It's you. Oh, yes.